Hello students, this is your experiment number 24 titled to identify unknown unorganized powder drug with the help of physical and chemical test. Three drugs are you have to do the test for this experiment, that is senna powder, starch and turmeric. Now in this category, first of all we will see what do we mean by pharmaceutical aids, laxatives and antiseptics. Okay. Now what are pharmaceutical aids? Pharmaceutical aids, these are the agents which are used in the formulation but they do not have any therapeutic activity. What are laxatives? Laxatives, they are the drugs which are used for the evacuation of the bowel. And antiseptic, these are the agent which kills the microorganism in your wound. Now under the headline of this physical test, generally color, odor, taste, size, shape, solubility, these factors we are going to study, while in chemical test is performed to confirm its genuine identity. Following types of raw materials are used: wheat, rice, maize, potato to obtain starch grains. Senna powder and turmeric is obtained from senna leaf and turmeric rhizomes respectively. Okay. So here first drug is senna powder. Its synonym is senna ki patti, Tine Valley senna, Indian senna, dog senna. Biological source, it consists of dried leaflets of the pods of Cassia angustifolia or Tine Valley senna or Cassia acutifolia delil Alexandrian senna. Family is Leguminosae. Physical taste, color of this senna powder is yellowish green, odor is light, taste is mucilaginous, bitter and characteristics. Okay. Now we'll see the chemical test for this drug, that is brown tiger test for anthraquinone glycosides is there. I will show you all the tests in a table form afterwards. Second drug is starch. Its synonym is amylum. Biological source, starch of the pharmaceutical uses consists of the grains obtained from the tubers of potato, Solanum tuberosum, family Solanaceae, or from the mature grains of maize, Z maize L, or from the mature grains of wheat, that is Triticum acetivum, or the grains of rice, Oryz sativa. Okay, that means starch you can obtain from potato, maize, wheat and rice. Okay, here you can see the physical test for different starch: potato starch, maize starch, wheat starch and rice starch. In case of potato starch, its color is light yellow color, shape is flattened, ovoid or subspherical, odorless, mucilaginous, striations are well marked and single as well as compound. In case of maize, white grains are present, uniform shape, polyhedral with blunt angles or less round. Odorless, mucilaginous striations are seen in the larger grain and single as well as compound. Wheat starch, it is cream colored, lenticular, odorless, mucilaginous, whereas rice starch, white in color, minute polyhedral grains with the sharp angles, odorless in odor, mucilaginous taste, not visible striations, and compound grains, a few single grains are present. Okay, so these are the different physical tests for the potato, maize, wheat or rice starch. Now third drug is turmeric. Its synonym is Indian saffron or it is called as a haldi. Biological source, it consists of dried as well as fresh rhizomes of plant known as Curcuma longa or Curcuma domestica, family Gingiberaceae. Physical test, color is yellowish to yellowish brown, yellowish orange to orange color. Odor is characteristic and slightly bitter. Okay. So we will start with the chemical test for first drug, that is senna. Okay, so first test is brown tiger test for senna. It is used for the anthraquinone glycosides. So first we have to boil the loose powder with the dilute sulfuric acid which forms a hydrolysis. Then we have to filter it and cool the filtrate. After that we have to add immiscible organic solvent like benzene or carbon tetrachloride to it. Shake the test tube and separate the upper organic solvent layer in another test tube. Add strong ammonia solution, shake slightly and keep the test tube aside. Lower ammoniacal layer shows pink or red color. That means anthraquinone glycosides are present. Okay, so here you can see I have taken it the chemical test in short form. Okay. Okay, this is senna powder. I have taken it in the test tube. Now I will add dilute sulfuric acid. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we have to filter the solution and you have to take the filtrate. Okay, here you can see the filtrate. You have to cool the filtrate, and to that we have to add benzene or carbon tetrachloride. Here you can see 2 layers you can see in the test tube. You have to shake it properly, you have to mix it, and then you have to separate the organic layer. Here you can see the organic layer has got separated. You have to separate it in the another test tube. Here you can see pink color has developed to the ammonical layer, lower ammonical layer. Okay, that means anthraquinone glycosides are present in senna leaf. Only one test is there for senna. Now second drug is starch. Its color is white, odor is odorless, taste is mucilaginous. First chemical test is that you have to take the starch powder, to that add water and you have to boil it. It will show viscous jelly, that means starch is present. Here you can see this is a starch powder. Okay, this is potato starch. Now we'll take the test tube and sample and boil it. Okay, I have taken water, to that I have added starch powder. Now I have to boil it. Boil it for some time. Here you can see viscous jelly has formed after boiling. Okay, now we have to add iodine solution to it. It will give you violet color or blue color. Here you can see I am adding iodine solution to it. You can see immediately there is a blue color has developed. That means starch is present. Third drug is turmeric. Its color is yellowish brown or orange to yellow orange to orange. Then odor is characteristic, taste is slightly bitter. First you have to take a turmeric tincture, dip a filter paper in it and treat it with the borax solution. It will give you green color, that means turmeric is present. Here you can see this is a turmeric powder. I will take some powder in test tube. To that I will add alcohol and then dip a filter paper in it. Here you can see I have taken the sample in the alcohol, that is tincture of turmeric. Now add a drop of this solution onto a filter paper. Here you can see green color has developed, that means starch is present. Sorry, its turmeric is present. Now in second test we have to take turmeric powder, to that we have to add just sulfuric acid. It will give you red color has developed. Okay, that means turmeric is present. Now in third test we have to take a sample turmeric, to that we have to add sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It will give you immediately red color. Here you can see red color has produced, that means turmeric is present. Okay, so this is your observation table. Senna, color, odor test, size, shape, solubility and chemical test you have to write. For starch also and for turmeric also. Conclusion is that with the help of physical and chemical test, it is confirmed that the given unknown organized powder crude drugs are senna powder, starch and turmeric. Thank you.